All right, good morning, cyber traders. Welcome back on this lovely Tuesday. Good to see you all. Welcome back. Good to see you, Grant, Renzo. Good to see you, everybody on YouTube, Facebook Live. Looks like we're having a couple of nice little movers this morning. Got this AYLA had a little bit of a pop early around 7:30. Starting to make a little bit of a move. Looking at a couple of good orders out there. Plus, with a couple other ones moving out there. You can see we got the watch list, the FRGT. You know, I can't wait to talk about Redbox. Oh my God, that was absolutely phenomenal yesterday. We're going to talk a lot about that one. But remember, there's a lot of big news coming out this week. This is probably, August is where things really start slowing down. A lot of people are going to be on vacation. Um, even Congress is going to be out. But this is earnings is really big. This is probably the biggest week. Obviously, you could see a lot of the retailers did come out. You I'm glad. Oh, I could tell you this. I'm happy I'm out of my swing trades. I got out of everything that on Friday. I sold everything, and I'm glad that I did because a lot of them are starting to take some big hits out here. Which is, listen. Thursday we're going to be doing an event on swing trading. We're gonna launch our first product on swing trading we have done in a long time. And we're going to talk a lot about it. And you know what? This is not swing trading. You have to understand is not like a buy and hold. Okay, it's like day trading, but it's longer, but it's not investing because if you're investing from last year to this year, you're getting crushed. But there's some great opportunities, regarding about the day trading that's now swinging to swing trades. It's just a little bit, you trade less shares and longer of a swing because some of you here, once again, you can't day trade, you can't afford it, or you can't be here all day. But we know it's a very popular strategy of trading. So let's talk about what happened regarding, and then also tomorrow, very important news. Don't forget tomorrow. The Fed is going to meet. They're projecting they're going to raise 75 basis points. And this is like the fast. I don't know. I think this is the fastest that they have raised interest rates ever. Now, if you have a savings account, you're probably happy. You're probably going to be doing a lot better. If you got a line of credit, it sucks. If you're looking to get a loan, it sucks even more. If you're looking to sell your house, you're getting crushed now because if you sold it sooner, I'm just happy that some of the stuff I bought about, and let me tell you, this all happened in like within the last couple of months. But I'm glad if you bought anything around January, February, and March, and you're locked in, you're looking excellent. You're looking great. But as of right now, they're trying to do everything they can to slow down inflation. But we'll see how things work out, and and for what, and then with the news that comes out on Thursday is going to kind of tell us a little bit more if we're in a recession. All right, which is really going to suck. So, but us as day traders is doing great. Now, I just want to kind of bring up a good example of a swing trade. Boyle, we've been trading it. We saw this thing go from 25 to 130, right back down to about 38 right here. Things already about 101. A lot of these stocks like this one are doing really well too. So you know what? Would I buy it now? No, but it was a great little swing trade. You can't day trade Boyle. It's too fast. It's too crazy. It's nuts. But if you do, you could have traded some small one, and there's a lot of them, like lithium, all of them. They're all moving pretty nicely. Some of these stocks right here. All right, so let's talk about what happened yesterday. I want to go over that list. First of all, I want to talk about the GOVX trade. And hold on, let me bring this back. I'm thinking about 2 days. So this one had a really nice move yesterday on the watch list. It didn't have the legs like Redbox did, but this thing did move really nice going into the afternoon. Once again, if you missed the morning, you could trade the afternoon. That one did pretty well. SIGA, another stock, nice little mover, went from 1380 all the way to 1630. Nice little move too also. Did its nasty shake right here early in the morning, came right back down. And then finally, going into the afternoon, had a nice little push. The only bad thing I didn't like right here is right around 3 o'clock when you get the 3 to 3:30 shake. It never kind of came back. It just kind of trend down right there. So that one was also, like I said, decent mover. NEM, that one just got crushed. Okay, gold mining down big. Can we find a bounce? I don't know. Listen, I love dead cat bounces. Unfortunately, I was raised to be a dead cat bounce type of trader. I haven't seen as many as I used to. Now I'm just trying to chasing, doing a little bit more of just following the wave on the longs than on the bounces. But let's see how this thing bounces. It took a major hit, and then also RDBX. That thing was just ridiculous yesterday. That thing came out right at the gate. It wasn't a morning watch list stock. It just, I don't know, but everyone here in the cyber group members, that I was pointing it out. And you know what? When you hear me talk and you don't hear me talk, when I'm talking, people listen. But when you're like, why is Fausto a little quiet? Believe me, I'm hawking these things. I'm looking around. And this stock right here, unfortunately, I chased it, I said right here, because it literally went from, let me just bring this up right here because it's pretty cool. So it started around 9:30, and I chased it right around 67. I'm like, damn it, I'm chasing this damn thing. And sure enough, out of nowhere, the thing got halted, which is so much fun. Went all the way to 4:30. And you know what? A lot of you are like, damn, I missed that one. Sure enough, the thing did a shake. Boom, popped, went all the way to $5. Did a little shake. I think even got halted, I think 2 times. Did a little shake right here, and then in nowhere ran from 470, went all the way up, and we're still at 10 o'clock in the morning. And the thing just hovered, and this is where things start slowing down. But it had a nice push around 11 o'clock, ran from 540, shot up to 620. Another very big move. So it was a fun stock. It started getting a little tricky right after 10 a.m., but right around here, around the 9:45, it was pretty awesome. And that was really the big winner. And once again, it didn't come up in the morning watch list. It kind of showed up later on in the afternoon. Now, I'm putting her back on the watch list because she is trading pretty strong this morning. Listen, the stock was a category, I think a 2, I would say, right? And then all of a sudden, it kind of came to 3 and a 4. And you know that when we teach you in phase 1, 2, we talk about the things that we always have to learn is what's called the 3 T's: tradable, trend, and trap. And the first T, tradable, makes things, it's the most expensive part of the trade. It's not the ticket charges anymore like it used to. It's the spread. So you got to make sure it's tradable, and it's not. And due to its trade, how it's tradable, the more volatile it is, the more you could lose if you're on the wrong side. So that's why it's important that when we go over your journals and you do those quizzes and you do the sheets that we give you, to make sure you know what level you're at, so you don't trade something that's basically a little bit over your head, which is normal. Okay, that's what people do. Now, let's talk about what's moving this morning. So, like I said, we have a lot of stocks that are coming out. You could see right here, we're going to pop over here on the big percentage gainers, which you always obviously focus on first. AYLA, she's kind of flat, very cheap stock, 8.5 million shares. I like that, up 88%. It's up a lot in pre-market, so let's be a little cautious on that one. FRGT, this one is obviously making a little bit of a pop right now. FRGT. This is the one we had this morning. Didn't really do anything until about 8 a.m. this morning, but she just made a little bit of a move from 420 up to about 240 up to about 270. Really nice move right there. New company actually came out. Nice spread, 7 million shares. I'm going to hop over here and check on level 4. I got to bring it up. What do we got? FRGT. Let's see what's going on the where the orders are with the stock right here. All right, so it looks like a lot of guys were getting filled right around 249 and then 250. Those traders got filled, and now it looks like it's going up about 280. I'll show it to you right here for some of you on YouTube, Facebook, if you don't ever see that. But cyber group members in the trading room, you always see this all the time. We always just follow the money and see where they're going. Here's a stock that just basically just came out of nowhere, PGY. Great volume, 1.4 million shares. Stock's been on a really nice move. You could see that nice little trend last couple of days. We traded this a couple of days ago, 2 days ago, ran from 5 to 14. Very, very volatile. So if you know this stock, if you traded it when we traded it back on the 22nd on Friday, make sure you check and see if it's in your level, because it looks like she's pretty volatile when it looks like it's moving here. All right, now we're already at 7%. We're going to scratch that. We always like to trade stocks that are up about 10%. Listen, whatever works on the big gainers is on the losers. Check out the stock right here. Boom, look at this. In one day, it ran from $2 to 15, came right back down. You could see that the stock's not doing too well. This one is one of those stocks that we traded, ran from $2 to 140. That was one of the mean stocks that we traded. It's on the big losers list, but we're not going to look at that. New York Stock Exchange, anything there? Nothing much. Nothing much. Definitely on the losers, though. I could tell you that. On the losers, you got Shopify out there taking a very big hit, not doing well. You know, these are all those stocks we were talking about. The big one that's really making the big news this morning is Walmart. Walmart's trying to make a little bit of comeback, but look at that nice little trend. It's got big support levels right around here, about 117. You know what? These are leaders, and with the leaders, everything else follows with it. Chewy's also taking a big hit. I got out of my Amazon. That's taking a big hit. I'm glad I got out of that thing. Took a nice profit on that one. Coinbase obviously taking a hit. You can see what's happening with Bitcoin. Those are all coming down big. So if that's the case, I know a lot of us did really well with Mara. You know, this is what I'm talking about regarding about the short-term swing trades. These stocks were all short-term swing trades. So they went up very quickly. And you know what? Whatever goes up comes down. So there's not like a buy and hold type of thing. That about does it. I don't really see anything more out there. It's 4 stocks. Listen, there's always going to be something else that will pop up. But listen, I know a lot of you here are, if you're a gold or platinum student, we're going to be doing phase 3. You'll be trading live with me right after this in 15 minutes. So, and once again, if you want to find out more about it, talk to Education Advisor. I'll tell you. But we're going to take these stocks, and once again, we're going to go out there, and you're going to tell me what to buy and sell, and I'll tell you if you're right and wrong. And we'll go out there and try to, most importantly, not learn how to make money, but learning how to stop losing it. All right. Anything else I'm missing? I did not call out, traders. Rich just posted a link in the cyber group room. Anyone else? I see a bunch of people on YouTube. Anyone else out there that are looking at something and a little concerned? Nothing else out there? All right, so that's fine. Just remember, this is a really big week. I don't like to be long, especially with the Fed rate coming out. Not that we all know it's going to be a 3/4 jump, in interest rates, but a lot of the earnings are coming out, and then Thursday, with the report from the state, we'll find out if we're in a recession. I said we were in a recession a month ago, 2 months ago. So, and listen, once they started raising rates, we knew that was going to happen. So remember, unfortunately, catastrophes do make opportunities. So go out there and benefit from it. All right, everybody. And also don't forget, Josh has Traders Talk. Today is Tuesday at 11 o'clock. So you have a lot of good content, a lot of good training going on today. Remember, you got to learn before you can earn. Good luck, everybody. If I don't see you in the class with me, everyone in the cyber group room, we'll see you there. You got to have the other instructors working with you. And if you're on YouTube, Facebook Live, we'll see you back here at 2:30. And if you ever want to join our trading room, just like us, friend us, just do a trial for a week and join our room and see how trading all works. Good luck, everyone. Happy trading and be safe.